Hey everyone, it is me, Omega Mod. Today we are unboxing this Hot Wheels recolor of Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400 with blue, dark blue and gray stripe from SW drag strip to 10 with 81 out of 250. Get dragged into some racing fun with this off-the-track speedsters. There's a Ford Motor Company trademark. Okay, let's unbox this SUV. The code says S17, that's the code. Okay, let's review this. Front, we have no detail. Driver's side with gray wheels. Rear with spoiler and passenger side. And the roof. And that is cool and that is a good looking car. Okay? Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.